Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I would like to welcome all of you to Mahdi English School. Right now we are in the class of Standard 1 and we are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our class with a beautiful thought. Thought for the day is: the purpose of education is to replace an empty mind with an open one. I like to repeat this. The purpose of education is to replace an empty mind with an open one. Welcome to the world of maths. Our current chapter is chapter number 5, numbers up to 100. Before starting today's lecture, let me introduce with today's learning objectives, which are a revision of previous lecture, numbers after, before and between. Now, before we start the revision, I would like to inform you that in this chapter we already complete 6 exercises. First was fill in the missing numbers, in which we write numbers 50 to 100 in the form of missing numbers in your fair book. Question 2 was write numbers for number names 51 to 100. We have also completed this exercise in your fair book. Question 3, fill in the blanks in the form of tens and ones. Question 4 was fill in the blanks in expanded form. Question 5, write the numbers. These 5 questions we have to write in your maths fair book, and I hope you all have completed it. After these 5 questions, we learn all these questions together in the form of match the following. After that, in previous lecture, we learn how to write the numbers in the form of tens and ones by solving given clues, as well as how to write that numbers in expanded form. So let's take a quick review or quick revision of previous lecture. This is the clue which we have to solve. Look, 7 trays of 10 eggs each and 7 loose ones. So what should we do? First of all, we have to solve the first clue, which is 7 trays of 10 eggs each. That means we are having these 7 trays. In each trays we have 10 eggs. So what is the meaning of 7 tens? As I told you from the beginning of this lecture or beginning of this chapter, that 7 tens means 70. 1 tens means 10. On the same way, 7 tens means number 70. Here we have to write this number in the columns of tens and ones. and we have 7 loose ones. We have to add 7 to this 70. By adding this, we get number 77. And now we want to write it in the expanded form, which is 70 plus 7. Five bunches of 10 bananas each and 3 loose ones. So, for solving this sum, we have to solve this first clue. 5 bunches of 10 bananas each, which means 5 tens. What is the meaning of 5 tens? 50. 50 plus 3 loose ones, which we have to write here. By adding number 3 to number 50, we get number 53. And now, when we are going to write this number 53, we have to write it in expanded form. How can we write it? Look at here. 50 plus 3, which is the expanded form of 53, which we have to write it in this column. Six stacks of 10 biscuits each and 7 loose ones. We have this 6 stacks of biscuit. In each stack there are present 10 biscuits. If we want to solve this, first of all, look at here. The first line of given clue, which is 6 stacks of 10 biscuits, means 6 tens. What is the meaning of 6 tens? 6 tens is equal to 6060. And 7 loose ones. So we have to add number 7 to number 60. By adding this, we get number 6767. And as you all know that we have to write this number in the expanded form. For this, we have to move here 60 plus 7, which is the expanded form, which we have to write it in this column. Eight loaves of 10 bread each and 5 loose ones. 8 tenza. We have these 8 loaves of bread. In each loaf there present 10 breads. So 8 tenza. 8 tenza 80. 8 tens is equal to 80. We have to write it in the first column. And 5 loose ones. These are 5 loose breads, which we have to add to this number 80. 80 plus 5, we get number 85. And now we want to write this number in the form of expanded numbers, which is 80 plus 5. Three groups of 10 stars each and 4 loose ones. 3 tanza. What is the meaning of 3 tanza? It means 30, 30. And 4 loose ones. 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. In the expanded form, we can write it as 30 plus 4. Numbers after, before and between. Now we are going to learn how to write the numbers after, before and between. right after numbers. Now what is the meaning of after numbers? How can we solve it? Look at here. For your help, I have this number strip so that by observing this you can solve the numbers. If we want to find out after numbers, we have to move forward or on the right side of given number. Our question is number 4444. Look at here. First of all, observe this number strip carefully and find out number 44. Where is 44? Here is number 44. Now we want to find out the after number of 44. For that we have to move right side. After 44 there present number 45. So we can say that 45 is the after number of 44. Now look at the number strip. This is the number strip having number 81 to 90. Why? Look at the question. Our question is a number 8181. And as I told you before that if we want to find out the after number, we have to move forward or on the right side of given number. Now look at this number strip carefully. Here we have number 81 and we want to find out after number of 81. Look at here. There present number 82 just beside number 81. So we can say that 82 is the after number of 81. I hope you all understand. If you want to count orally, whenever you want to find out after number of any number, you have to start from the beginning of that line. Okay? We have number 59. Look at the number strip, my dear students. We have numbers 51 to 60 in this number line. And right now we are finding after number of 59. First of all, find number 59 on this number strip. Look, where is number 59? Here it is. And look at the right side of that number. Which number is present there? There present number 6060. So we can say that number 60 is the after number of 59. Look at the screen, my dear students. Which number you have seen there? There is a number 28. And observe the number strip given there. There we have number strip of 21 to 30. And now as we want to find out the after number of 28, first of all look at that and find out number 28. Look, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Here we have number 28. And is we want to find out the after number of 28, just move forward or right side of the given number. Look at here. Here we have number 29, which is present just beside number 28 at the right side, my dear, not on the left side. 28 after their present number 29. We can say that 29 is the after number of 28. Look at the screen. We have number 76, and now we want to find out the after number of 76. For that, look at here, we have the number strip of 71 to 80. Look, my dear students, if you are not having this number strip, how can you solve these numbers orally? Look, we have number 76. To solve this, you have to start counting from 71. Let's count it with me. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. Stop. Now we want the after number of 76. Look at here, just beside, at the right side of 76, there present 77. If you are doing this orally, you have to stop at 76 and you have to memorize which number will comes after 76. By observing this, we can say that 77 comes just after 76. We can say that 77 is the after number of number 76. Write before numbers. Here we have completed an exercise of after numbers. Right now we are going to learn how can we write before numbers. Let's see. Look, this side is empty. Here we have the number. What does it means by? It means whenever we are going to write before numbers, we have to move backward or left side of given numbers. We have number 99 and now we want to find out the before number. Look at here, we have the number strip of numbers 91 to 100. Okay. Now as we are in search of a before number of 99, count the numbers on the number strip with me. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98 and 99. Stop at number 99 and look which number comes just before 99. Which number lays at the left side of number 99? There is a number 98. So we can say that 98 is the before number of 99. If you are doing this orally, you have to stop at given number and think in your mind which number comes just before that number. Now look at the screen. Which number is there? There is number 85. The left side is empty. Which exercise we are doing right now? Right now we are doing the exercise of finding before numbers which presents on the left side of given number. So as we are in search of before number of 85, here we have number strips of 81 to 90, which makes us help to find out the before number of 85. Count with me: 81, 82, 83, 84 and 85. Stop at there. Now look, which number comes just before 85? Which number presents on the left side of 85? It is 84. So we can say that 84 is the before number of 85. Whenever you are going to find out the before number, you have to find out the number that comes just before, or which lays on the left side of that number. Okay? Now look at the screen. Which number present there? There present number 77. What we have to do now? Yes, move towards the given number line. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Which number stands there just before 77? Look, which is it? It is number 76. So we can say that 76 is the before number of 77. I hope you all understand this, my dear students. Oh, there we have number 70. Yes, we already have the number strip for our help. Look, we have number strips of 61 to 70. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Stop. Now look at there, my dear. Which number is presenting there? There is the number 69. So we can say that 69 is the before number of 70. Okay. We have number 54. Now look at the given number strip. There presents number 51 to 60 on this number strip. Now count with me: 51, 52, 53 and 54. Stop now. Now see which number is present there just before 54. There present number 53. So we can say that 53 is the before number of 54. Write between numbers, as we have completed numbers after and number before, which will be helpful to us while learning between numbers. How? Let's see. Look, here we have 52, here 54. This place is empty. So what does it means by? Yes, you are right. Here we have to find out the between numbers of given two numbers. And how after and before numbers have becomes helpful to us? Look at the number strip. We have number strip of 51 to 60 numbers. And as we want to find out the between number, first of all find out after number of first number, which is 52 here. Look, 51 and 52. 53 is the after number of 52. Okay. Here we have number 54. The left side of 54 is empty and we want to find out the between number. So here we have to find out the before number of 54. Look at the number strip. Here we have number 54 and 53 stands just before 54. 52, 53 and 54. So we can say that 53 is the between number of 52 and 54. (39) and 40. We have two numbers. So here we have to watch two number strips, 31 to 40 and after 41. Okay, and observe this, after 39 there comes 40 and here we have 41. Before 41 there comes number 40. So we can say that number 40 is the between number of 39 and 41. We have number 66 and 68. This is the empty place. That means we have to fill up with between number. Now find out number 66 on the number strip first. Here it is. Find out the after number of 66. 67. 67 is the after number of 66. Our next number is 68. So before 68 there present number 67. So we can say that 67 is the between number of 66 and 68. We have number 88 and 90. 88 and 90. And the middle place is empty, means which we have to fill up it with between number of 88 and 90. Now look at the number strip. Here we have number 89. 88. After 88 there present number 89. Look. After 88 there present number 89. Before 90 there comes 89. So we can say that 89 is the between numbers of 88 and 90. We have number 98 and 100. And we want to find out the between number of 98 and 100. For that, look at given number strip. There is here we have number 98. After 98 there present number 99. We have number 100. Before 100 there present number 99. So we can say that 99 is the between number of 98 and 100. I hope you all understand numbers after, before and between very well. What's this? What we are going to learn now? This is the surprise. We are going to learn dodging table by ones only. Dodging tables means breaking up the numbers. Okay, today we will learn dodging tables by ones only. Let's see. One ones are one. Two ones are two. Keep this thing in your mind that we are learning dodging tables by one only. Okay? Three ones are three. Four ones are four. 5 ones are 5. Have you enjoyed? You want to learn more? Okay, in future we will learn dodging tables by 2s inshallah. I hope you all enjoyed the lecture and concept becomes clear to all of you, my dear students. So let's talk about the homework. Today in homework you have to write numbers after, before, between, one time in your fair book. Okay, my dear students. Stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself, my dear students. Till next lecture, bye bye.